What's up guys, my name is Thomas and welcome to iPhone for Seniors, a free series of online tutorials for seniors to teach them more about their iPhones. Today we're going to be discussing how to send and receive emails on your iPhone. It's a pretty easy process and we'll get into it in a moment. Alright everybody, so using your email on your phone is a pretty simple process. The first thing that you need to do is actually add your email to your phone. So to do that, open Settings, scroll down and then you'll see Passwords and Accounts. Tap Add Account and you'll tap your email provider. Mine is Google if you have a Gmail account. If you have an SVC Global account, that's going to be Yahoo. So I'm going to tap on Google and I will tap Continue. It's going to take me to this page where I type in my email address. And now it will ask for my password. And now I'm logged in. So now it's just going to load up my accounts. And I want to make sure that mail is switched on so that it will synchronize my email from my computer to my cell phone. And I will tap Save. Now it should say Account Added and take you back here. And under Accounts, you should see the account you just added. Now you can easily just open up the Mail app, which looks like a little envelope on a blue background. It's on your home screen. And you can tap under Mailboxes. You should see Gmail, or whichever one you just added. And here are all of my emails. I have my inbox right here, and I have all of my emails. I can tap on an email and read it. And then in the bottom I have several options. I have the little bin, which basically deletes the email. I have the folder, which I can tap to add my email to a different folder that I've set up on my email. I have this little curved arrow, which is just a reply button. And I have this little square with a pencil in it, which is how I write an email. I can also go back to my inbox by tapping on Inbox, and I can delete emails from here easily if I want to. I can just hold down and slide from right to left and it will delete the email. Now I can also check up on my sent and my other mailboxes by tapping where it says the Gmail or Yahoo or whatever your email provider is in the top left corner. It should say that and have a little back arrow. You can tap it. Then you can scroll down to where it says your email provider. And under there you should see your inbox, your drafts, your sent mail, your junk mail, and your trash. And from here you can easily just tap on one to access that different folder in your email. You can also easily write emails from your inbox by tapping in the little bottom right corner. There's a little blue button. It looks like a box with a pencil inside. You'll tap that. Then it should say New Message and it'll say To. You can type in the contact that you want to send the email to or their email address. There's From, which is your email. You can type in the subject and the message. And then to send it, you'll tap the blue Send button at the top right of your screen. And you can also save this as a draft by clicking the Cancel button and clicking the Save Draft. Or if you don't want to save it as a draft, just click Delete Draft and it will delete that email. Alright guys, so that's pretty much all you need to know about sending emails on your iPhone. It's a pretty easy and simple process, and I really do hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please do be sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to be notified of future videos. And I hope to see you in the next episode of iPhone for Seniors. Have a great day. Bye.